Hello, my name is Cassandra Dean, and this is my final project for my children's literature class. Reflecting on the work that I've done over these 10 weeks has been fun and exciting, and I've enjoyed reading children's books. The assignments that we did were a book trailer, we had library hours, a virtual library, an author study, and we created a family literacy backpack. Reflecting over the work that I did, the assignment that I believe best represents me as a teacher was the family literacy backpack. I actually enjoyed coming up with the topic of blended families and using the sand blended together and the smoothie blending the different fruits and vegetables together. The most challenging assignment was the virtual library because I had never used Google Books. I love to hold books and smell old books, so I wouldn't personally use it, but I most definitely will use it in my classroom. And the assignment that I am most proud of is my book trailer and my author study. I enjoyed them both. I've thoroughly enjoyed this class, and I am thankful for the journey that I am on to become a biology teacher. This word spells biology, and it's just inspiration to me, and I'm excited about the journey. Thank you.